Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be working on my daily journal for the 6th or 7th to the 12th. So that's in this, but before we get started, I want to show you my new kit that I have up on Ko-fi. And yeah, this is my new kit. It's a fallish book themed kit. This sheet here is a single sheet. It is free. Okay, so this is a free download on my Ko-fi. The link is always down below, and it's separate from the kit, so you can always get this one free and use it however you want. So that's this one, and then this is the kit. I'll do a quick little flip through. Like I said, this is on my Ko-fi. It's linked down below, and it's just some plaids and some books. You know, two of my favorite things. I'm hoping to do more kits. However, I actually don't enjoy doing it. I enjoy the end, but I don't enjoy doing it. Why? I don't know. And it's not, I enjoy doing the backgrounds. Like the backgrounds. I'm okay with that. It's the ephemera and stuff like that that I don't like. And then there's just this journal cards or clip the edges and make them tags. I don't usually include envelopes or pockets or anything in my kits because once again, I hate doing them. So this is the one that's for sale, very low priced, and then this one is free. So if you're interested, it's on my Ko-fi. Okay, let's get started. All right, we were on the 6th, so I remembered to add that book in so I can take this off here, that little note. And then I didn't do any prepping. Did I even pull out tape? No, I did not. So I need tape. Okay, so this week I had done my journaling on the tag that was in the pocket. So we're just going to add, this is what I have been doing for this journal so far, is journaling and then just adding everything in on the day and then coming through and adding everything in. I've been doing that because September, if you recall, I did that like half composition book journal, and I was taking notes in my planner for journaling purposes, but I was just putting down like bullet points, and it was some days it was like 3 days after the fact because I would forget. So that didn't really work well for me. Instead, I decided I'm going to keep this up by my bed and journal before bed every night, and then just come in and add everything. So that's what I've been doing. By the way, this tea is delicious. And then I read Sandra Brown, Out of Nowhere. It was so good, but so many damn trigger warnings in here. I can't even tell you the trigger warnings because it'll ruin parts of the book, but this is not for the faint of heart. Just going to throw that out there. But it was really good, but Okay, so this is the hashtag Feb in June. I think it's 5, I don't remember. Friday, smell what perfumes or body sprays do you have right now? And I have a Christmas vanilla body spray I use all the time because it's literally just vanilla. And then I have this thing, like perfumes are really hard for me because certain smells give me headaches. So I have all the Be Delicious. They just smell like apples. It's so good. So and then I think that is called Be Delicious. And one of the Ariana Grande perfumes, and it smells like marshmallow. I don't know the name of it offhand. But yeah, I got it last year for Christmas, and I was worried I'd have to take it back. I got it for my mom, but it actually smells like marshmallow, so I can handle it. Okay, so here's the 7th. Did I? Yes, I did. journaled on that tag. And then my mother-in-law got me, because, you know, I am pre-diabetic and I cut out all sugar, almost all sugar and carbs. I mean, I've tried to. I've been really bad this week. Let's not talk about it. Not with sugar, but with carbs. I've had a bad week, and I've just been all about the carbs. Anyway, my mother-in-law bought me some of these Lakanto mixes, because it uses monk fruit, and that's what I can have. Artificial sugars give me migraines, like sweet and low, stuff like that give me migraines, and I cannot stand the taste of stevia. Also, did you know this? I just looked this up the other day, because I told my dad that I can't also do stevia, and he's like, but it's all natural. And I'm like, yeah, I get that, and I couldn't figure out why it gives me headaches, and I looked it up, and it's actually a member of the ragweed family. Did you know that? I did not know that. So if you have an allergy to ragweed, which, hello, I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to everything outside, and that's been really strong this past week, which is why I've had a migraine so many days this past week. So if you have an allergy, a ragweed allergy, you could be sensitive to stevia, which that makes so much sense. And let me tell you, I've been eating anyway, because I'm like, whatever, I don't care. I bought yogurt, and once again, I did not realize the freaking yogurt had fake sugar in it. I don't even know what kind of, it could have been stevia for all I know. I don't know. But I ate it anyway. I was like, whatever, I'm gonna eat it anyway. This is my dog laying on my knee, staring at my bag of chocolate chip cookies, because my boyfriend was like, because these mixes are expensive. They are not cheap, and my boyfriend was like, you need to make sure that you put those in your room so nobody else eats them. And they were in a bag on my nightstand, and the dog was just staring them down. So I had to put them away. So here we go. I journaled here. What did I do? Ooh, it was the first hoodie day of the season. Oh, it was a Sunday. This was a Sunday. It was the first hoodie day of the season, and since it was Sunday, it was my soda day, and my boyfriend brought me a Dr. Pepper. It was strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper. Also, this was the first hoodie day, and my mom bought me hoodies, and I don't know, do you guys like them way oversized? I do too. I can't handle a hoodie that is like my actual size. So she bought me hoodies for my birthday. I did have to return 2 of them because they were cut really weird. The one thing I don't like is women's Champion hoodies. They're cut weird. Okay. So anyway, my boyfriend brought me Dr. Pepper, strawberries and cream, because Dr. Pepper is my second favorite soda. My first is Mountain Dew Baja Blast, and now it's no longer on the shelves, so I get Dr. Pepper's again. Unless I'm really jonesing for sugar, and then I have them bring me regular Mountain Dew. Yep, you heard me. Regular Mountain Dew. Alright, and then I listened to What We Buried. It was a thriller, mystery thriller, with some sci-fi built in, so it was pretty good. And this is the day I hit 25 pounds lost, and that, as I've been saying, since I got my freaking scale, I wish I would have had a scale, like, when I first started to lose weight, because if I lose 1 more pound, I'm officially at 40-pound weight loss. But that's not what my scale says, because I got my scale about a month and a half into working out. So there's that. But that's okay. Alright, this day, we just ran errands, and then I just put on Talladega Nights for the background and ended up watching it. And then after that, put on Identity Thief and read a book. So I'm just going to put these two in there. And then we went to Wegmans. Wegmans has like a really good selection of their own tea. And my boyfriend picked out this tea to try. And let me tell you, it was freaking delicious. Now I have to go back and pick out more tea, and I hate going to Wegmans because like half their food is affordable and the other half is super expensive. You just don't know what you're gonna get when you go there. I'm telling you. But they have a lot of good prepared foods and good hoagies. But sometimes it could be expensive. So I'm just gonna put that here. Yeah, but it was the tropical green. It was really good. And I'm just going to put my book in. So there we go. And here we go. Oh, this is the day that we went for our flu shots. And let me tell you, that was not fun. I also got my thrift books order. I got a free thrift book, free credit for my birthday. So I ordered books. I mean, why wouldn't I? Why am I cutting this in the weirdest shape ever? I don't know. Jeez Louise, somebody help me here. Anyway, I got the book order then. I ended up getting 3 books because then I'm like, well, when you get your free book credit, you have to pay for shipping, which is fine. However, I still had gift card money left from Christmas. So my shipping would have been 23 cents. I did not want to use my card for 23 cents. So I just decided to order 2 more books and then get free shipping. So that's what I did. We also start watching Snake Oil, and let me tell you, my boyfriend and I rock at that. So good. So good. And my very clean Band-Aid, because I don't bleed when I get shots. Alright, this I wanted to put here, which is why there's a weird space. So let's glue this down. Because I had other stuff I wanted to put under the belly band, and I didn't want to waste this tag. I think this tag is so pretty. There we go. And then I watched the Matthew Shepard story, An American Hate Crime. Oh, I remember when it happened. But it was a very good look into a crime that happened, oh my God, 25 years ago. If you can believe that. Also, I voted. So let's take off my I voted sticker and put on the I voted sticker. There we go. And that leads us to yesterday. Yesterday was a bad day. I woke up in so much pain. I did something to my back, to my hip, in my sleep. What? I don't know. So I did absolutely nothing yesterday. My hip still hurts today. I did say now I have to take a break now from working out until I feel better, because I am not going to hurt myself even more. So I'm figuring I'm probably not going to be working out the rest of the week. Today is Friday, so that's really only today and tomorrow. So I'm hoping by Sunday I'll be able to work out, but I doubt it. So here it is. I have a long, painful day, and I did. It was so bad. Then my dad went to the store, and he came home with taquitos, and I was like, well, guess I'm making these for lunch. because they were frozen and I couldn't make it downstairs to put them in the big freezer downstairs. So, yep, that's what we had for lunch then. And that was my day yesterday. No, wait, I'm missing some stuff. Okay, yep, here. Oh no. Hold on. Did I mention my hip still hurts? Because bending over really hurts, so I used my quick stick to pick that up off the floor. It worked. Just gonna put this in here. There we go. And yes, so I spent the day finishing The Shining. Let me tell you, I forgot how dense Stephen King's writing is. I mean, he's a master for a reason, but man, The Shining is over 600 pages. It's over 600 pages. And I've been keeping my boyfriend up to date on how far I'm getting. And this was me sending him a picture. I'm like, this is how much I had left at that time. And that was 400 and some pages. So I still had all that left. But I finally finished it last night. So I can pack that onto my shelf and move on to the next book. I mean, I've been reading books in between reading that because, listen, like, you kind of need a break from Mr. Stephen King. I'm just going to tell you that. You kind of need a break. You can't just be reading him straight through 600 and some pages because it's a lot. It's a lot. A lot happens on just one page. It's crazy. I was giving my boyfriend updates and I'm like, spoiler alert if you've never even watched The Shining, okay? Or read The Shining. Spoiler alert here, okay? I was just giving him a heads up, like, oh, it was like 27 pages of an interview. What the heck? And then it was like, he's just calling for the cook now, and it's page 472. You know what I mean? Like, there's so much. So much. So much. So, but that's it for today. Let me know down below. Have you ever read The Shining? Do you read Stephen King? Do you feel the way I do, that there's just so much? So dense. So, that's it. We're caught up. I had to film this quick because, for once, I don't have any videos on deck. I am out of videos. So, I've had migraines all week and then hurting my hip yesterday. I couldn't walk down the steps. So, I have not been able to film anything for a few days and I am out. So, I will be busting my butt filming today. But this one was first because I have to get it up. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and please like, subscribe. I'm trying to push to 500. Like, that is my newest goal, is 500 subscribers, and I'm at almost 450, I think. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.